Hey guys, this is Fundo on Shopalama. Tonight on Imbewu. Please like, comment, and subscribe. The family learns that Zetulele has been saved, but are deeply worried about his safety. While Mazulu believe Mzwandile is protecting Sakile by failing to identify the anonymous call. Sakile is angry that his plan failed and that Mzwandile is the one who betrayed him. And it seems like Sakile wants to pay a revenge on Mzwandile. And Sakile does not want Mzwandile to date with Kanyu. While Figile got that he kidnapped by Mandlovu. And Mandlovu wants to talk with Figile. And Figile, he got disappointed and surprised when he see Mandlovu that he kidnapped her. And Punyuga comes with Figile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.